Okay, in today's video, I would like to go over some introductory pre-algebra topics that you absolutely need to know in order to do algebra. We're going to start with the basics because the basics are the foundation. Okay, so what we're going to title this notes section is we're going to title it Introduction to Algebra. So this video is for you if you have absolutely no idea what algebra is, and maybe you're coming back to this topic after a long sojourn away from math. We're going to go over everything that you will need to know as prerequisites for doing the algebra that you are afraid of. Starting with grouping symbols. Okay, so we're going to call this grouping symbols. Okay, what is a grouping symbol? A grouping symbol is used, we'll say here, used to isolate an expression group terms together or show what operations to do first. Okay, let's look at some examples. Example 1 are parentheses. Here's an example. Six, no. 6 times open parentheses 2 plus 1 means 6 times 3, because 2 plus 1 is 3, or 18, because 6 times 3 is 18. Let's look at the next type of grouping symbol, which are brackets. Some examples of this: 4 plus open parenthesis, open bracket, open parentheses, 2 plus 1, close parentheses, plus open parentheses, 3 plus 2, close parentheses, close bracket. The idea is this is just another symbol that you can use to encase or nest expressions within expressions or parts of expressions together. And so we just simplify it by working from the inside out. So that's equal to 4 plus open bracket, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, close bracket. And then final step, we would do the 3 plus 5 now. You have 4, or I guess penultimate step, 4 plus 8. And 4 plus 8 equals 12. Okay. Here's another grouping symbol that we don't often think of as a grouping symbol, and that is the fraction bar. Okay. So the fraction bar, two plus, I guess I'm writing examples in green. 2 plus 4 over 5 plus 7. We add the top first, then we add the bottom. 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 7 is 12. Then we can reduce that fraction. That's something we're going to learn how to do later. Okay. But basically the greatest common factor of 6 and 12 is 6. So we divide both by 6 and we get 1 over 2. So this fraction is equal to 1/2. Okay, the final type of grouping symbol is called braces. Some people call these curly cues, but here's what they look like. We'll do 8 minus open brace, 5 minus 3, close brace. And what that means is 8 minus 2, which equals 6. Okay, next up, we're going to learn how to convert written words into mathematical symbols. So please join me in that video to continue this introduction to algebra.